Watch AI create a student assessment performance dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with, containing student grades, subjects, and performance metrics. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our Excel file into Bricks. The data uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI is analyzing our student data, identifying key patterns and performance trends. It's automatically generating multiple visualization types: grade distributions, subject averages, performance over time, and teacher comparisons. The AI recognizes this as educational data and creates charts specifically designed for academic insights. It's building interactive tables for top-performing students and subject summaries. Our student assessment performance dashboard is complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables, giving us comprehensive views of student performance across grades, subjects, teachers, and time periods. We can customize the theme instantly for better visual appeal. Now, let's enter presentation mode for a clean, professional view, perfect for sharing with administrators, teachers, or stakeholders. The presentation layout removes all editing tools, creating a focused experience for data review and decision-making. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.